Okay, welcome sir. My name is Basant Rai, calling the English Cafe. So cookies we have to keep freshly here.
Perfect.
Darjeeling tea leaf for the green tea.
Awesome.
Here we keep the tea bag. Masala chai. Everyday milk powder. Nescafe coffee powder.
Excellent.
Here is a sugar sachet. Water purifier, we just keep freshly refill here.
Perfect.
And water kettle for the warm water.
Perfect.
I have here the all cutleries.
Got it. Thank you.
Sleeper. Bathroom sleeper is here.
Perfect.
The drawers for the floor.
Perfect. And there's Kanchenjunga also in the room, right?
Kanchenjunga also from the
Yeah.
This is the room warmer.
Okay. Is it always on or we need to switch it on?
If required, as
Okay.
for that,
Okay.
you can on.
Fine.
Here the power off.
Okay.
You can on from there.
Done. Is it required nowadays in
Not required nowadays, sir.
Okay.
If you feel something cold, then,
Okay.
then we have a Wi-Fi, sir.
Okay.
Wi-Fi, here the scanner we have.
Okay.
If the scanner is not working,
Right.
passport, it's here is a bed lamp. And here is a bed warmer.
Oh, nice.
It's working here.
Done. That's very cool.
Yeah. Other side also bed lamp switch is here.
Got it.
And this is the outside light
Understood.
which is work on. And this is the jewel hole. And we have this ceiling light here.
Got it. Thank you.
So restaurants. Here's a hair dye.
Got it.
It's a cotton.
Yeah, it's a very nicely done bathroom.
Here also some curtains there.
Perfect.
Here's a
The tissues and
tissues
all.
though.
Perfect. Very comfortable.
Hand wash soap is here.
Right.
Toothbrush all freshly we keep here.
All the toiletries are there.
Towels is here.
Got it.
Yeah. And bathroom soap and shampoo is there.
Perfect.
Toilet paper all is there.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's a very nicely done up room. Thank you.
And TV remote is there, sir.
Got that.